Following on from yesterday's building this raised bed, today I'm going to try and fill it as much as I can really, ready for growing something in. Just one little note, I just brush past these sweet corn, and as I brushed past it, a whole cloud of pollen came down around me, and they're all heading for these silks on the cobs, which are just now forming. So really happy about that one. Okay, let's get back to this filling. First job I'm going to do, I've already done the first job, which is raking back the top inch or two of this path, which is just wood chip, and it's several inches deep, and of course what's underneath is pretty well rotted, so that's going to go in the bottom. That is going to go in the bottom of there, and that is going to replace the path. So sorry about the swinging around. Let's get set up and see if we can get this going. No dig Norm, just digging. Hit this stuff. So that's the first layer going in. Let me pause it there. You can see I was pulling up some old weed membrane that had been put down that I'd missed previously. I hate this stuff. I think it shouldn't be allowed anywhere near an allotment. Okay, going off now. I'll pause it for this bit. I'll just break that up now with a hoe and even it out. Making sure it's square on with my path and what have you, because once this has got stuff in it, it'll be quite difficult to move. Not impossible. I mean, you can always dig it out and relocate. Oh. Oops. That's a shame. Mind you, I've got plenty more. Next layer is going to be this manure. I thought about trying to tip it in, but I think I'll just distort the frame of the thing, so I'll shovel it in. Okay, I'll pause it there because you know what I'm doing, and I'll come back later. That's the 1 barrel of manure in. I'll just give that a quick even out. Just got bitten by a horsefly. Hate those things. Used to get them in Sweden. And you know where. Now I'm imagining them being bitten all the time. Get some of me a tricks on when I get home. The next layer. Oops. I've got 2 of these buckets of spent compost from my potatoes. In them now. So let me get this in. And the potato, we don't want that. Let's get that salted as well. It's looking okay. I think 1 more addition, maybe 2 more, but we'll see. Some general purpose compost. Might have to use 2 of those. I've got save your bags. So useful. There we go. See what one looks like before I bring the other. Norm's version of a raised bed. It's so I think it's over 10 years since I last did a raised bed. But unless you pretty much fill them, they're not really a raised bed, are they? We've got that, about a foot of growing medium there that's above the original soil. Dare I chance more brassicas in there? I think not just yet, but who knows. So next thing I've got to do is fill that trench with this wood chip, so I'll come back. Okay, let's try this in one heave. Might make a bit of a mess, but I don't care. It'll sort itself out. Hang on. All right, mate. Now let's go and see if I can find something to put in it. So that's all filled now, and I've found a few canes. I'm going to make this into a square foot bed. I've decided I've only got two Savoy cabbages. I'm going to have a go and see how they're doing here. If they don't make it, they don't make it. I'm thinking, I know Savoys grow quite big, so I will put them on the sides so that they've got some space and they're not overcrowding everything that's around them. Well, that's the plan. I've also got ice cold radish. These are my spare lettuce. I'm going to put those in, one in each corner, and some spring onion. So let's get cracking on now. Do a little bit first. They're barely ready, but they're going in anyway. The minuscule just yet. I'll just put. It says on skirt, but it's got it. Nothing else. I'll keep slugs at bay. That's it, that's me for today, I think. I've done enough. Little and often, I'm here every day. Thanks for watching.